branch, and she's on the other side of the tree.
Well, more practice like that, you'll have less kids.
What the fuck am I doing, Mom?
You need a bar of soap for that mouth. This is going on YouTube, Karen. No?
You gotta watch out for that. You keep jerking it too hard, you're bound to get something in the eye.
Here comes
it
Mom.
burns, it burns.
Oh my God.
Alright, I'm done. Give up. Oh,
Alright.
my arm hurts so bad. Can you finish
Can I go to work now?
it? My hair is messed up. You fucked up my hair. Bitch.
Well, Mom knows exactly how to do it, Karen.
You can't do a big branch.
Can't do this. Jed's gonna look at that in seconds. Are you kidding? That's what I said. He made it look super easy.
Oh, you. What was that you were saying earlier?
What did I say?
Oh.
All right, Jed, are you gonna clean up all this mess you made?
No, I hate Jed. He can get the hell out of here.